Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Toyota RAV4. Let's start right away up front. On the front end we're going to take a look real quick, and then we're going to swing to the passenger side. We're going to take a look inside right away at the cloth interior. You have second row seats and third row seating as well. So plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. This RAV4 is four-wheel drive. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this RAV4 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.